Okay, this is the unboxing of the Gumdrop case for the Asus Transformer TF300. Just got it in the mail today. Go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and take out the protective bubbling. Alright, here we go. Gumdrop case. Drop Tech Series Ultimate Ruggedized Protection for Asus Transformer TF300T. Alright, been waiting for this puppy to get here all summer. Go ahead and slide this out the way. And as you can see, it's got the different layers for protecting your tablet. And if you're going to spend that type of money on this tablet, I guess you want to get the proper protection for it. There we go. So let's go ahead and see how we take this thing apart. I'm going to go ahead and take off the rubberized covering on here. Alright, there's our one layer protection, rubberized with the inner shield here. Let's go ahead and take off this. Take off this top layer. There we go.